I ordered some Cuts clothing finally because of Just Jolie and all his videos. There's a link in the description if you want to get a discount. Just check it out, click that link below. But I got 2 different styles. They didn't have the color or size that I wanted, so I got the size of the shirt that I wanted and then the color of the shirt that I wanted in a different style. Let's see how they fit. Ooh, this already looks fresh. This is the long sleeve medium in the Red Rocks color. Classic USPS packaging right here. I think I'm more than likely gonna return this, but Cuts clothing, there it is. We've got the 2 styles. Can you even see that? This is too bright. Whoop. Right there. These are the 2 styles I got. Boom and boom. There it is. It says Cuts clothing on the back. Maybe we should get a thumbnail. We'll try them on. These are both. So one's a large and one's a medium. I wanted to get the medium, but I think it might be too small. So let's try these on. Ready? Okay, this is way too tight. Holy, I look like what do I look like? This is not it. This is medium, too small. I'm 6 foot, about 190, 185-ish pounds, and like, well, nope. You can see my belly right there. What the? The real question is this the color that I want? Okay, this is the large. I think this is the color that I want. This is the large, long sleeve, curve fit coral. Actually, I wanted this in medium, but they didn't have it. I think we just learned that medium is not my size, but this, like you can see my chest. If I turn to the side, you don't see my quarantine belly. Sure, it's lighter. It's kind of like got this beige look to it. I don't know if I want the Red Rocks. The Red Rocks is a dope color too. But you get the right kind of pants, and so it's really soft. So I have relatively wide shoulders, so if you look right there, the seam probably could be like there, but it's like more there. That's okay. I'm a big boy. It's got the curved fit. I wanted something more elongated, but I don't think they make that on the long sleeve anymore.
Son, what are you wearing, long sleeve?
Yeah, what do you think of the shirt? Should I keep it?